HGTV will sell you the dream, open concept, light and bright. It'll pay for itself. But let's be honest, remodeling isn't a montage. It's a marriage test. In Scottsdale, labor shortages and rising material costs have pushed remodeling timelines up to 20 to 30% since 2020. What used to be a 6-week kitchen project can easily stretch into 3 months or more. The flip side, pack it up, start fresh. Listing your home meaning let go of memories, that orange tree you planted, neighbors you liked, others you didn't. It's freedom, it's fear. Can you really find better for the money? Or are you just trading one set of problems for another? Slightly newer set though. Remodeling costs in Scottsdale, a kitchen update runs you anywhere from 30 to 60 grand depending on size and of course appliances. If you want Wolf appliances or something, it's going to be a whole lot more than that. Bathrooms 20 grand just to start. Roofs around 15 grand, hoping that it doesn't rain, but we are in the desert. Now, buyers here pay top dollar for move-in ready houses. The median sales price is hovering around $850,000 here in Scottsdale. That's up 7% from last year. And renovated homes sell anywhere from 10 to 15% more than their competitor, the outdated homes down the street. So you crunch the numbers, you pour a drink, you try to predict the future. It's not about what's right, it's about what's right for you and your wallet. Maybe it's not just about money. Maybe you're chasing space or a new puppy or downsizing after the kids head to ASU. Maybe you need a fresh start, or maybe you just want to stay put and finally put in that outdoor pizza oven nobody but you will use. Hey, but it's your pizza oven, you're happy. Whatever makes you happy. In a city where the average homeowner stays in their home for right around 9 years, life changes tend to be a real reason behind big moves. Remodel or sell. It's personal. It's about comfort and adventure, risk and reward, and not just where you live, but how you want to live. In the end, it's a gamble either way. The only wrong answer is letting fear make the decision for you. Whether you're picking up a hammer or you're getting me to sell your house, put a for sale sign up and do all the marketing, it's your decision. Life's too short to settle for a house or a story that doesn't fit. Here's to the crossroads and to whatever else is waiting on the other side of your journeys. I'm Zack, sells Scottsdale. Change is good, especially if it comes in with new countertops. And change is hard, but it's always good, right? It's pretty rare when change is not good. Anyways, I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or about remodeling or selling, please connect with me. All my contact information is below. I could get you more numbers on this topic or more insight. I could get you hooked up with contractors if you need quotes. Any of that information you need, I am here for you for that kind of stuff. And if you want have questions about selling, I'm obviously here for that also. If you could please subscribe to this channel. It's all things Scottsdale, and always make it a great Scottsdale buying and selling day. Thanks.